Right now there's a lot that's up in the air about the Galaxy Z Fold Lite, including whether the phone is more than just a rumor. More concrete details will need to emerge about this alleged phone if Samsung was planning on announcing it alongside the Galaxy S23. You would think we would have heard more about it by now, but there's still time for more details to emerge before then. That said, it's easy to understand the rationale behind a Galaxy Z Fold Lite. Given how expensive current foldable devices are, Samsung has certainly indicated it's willing to try out different types of foldables, as evidenced by the Galaxy Z Flip's release. We bet that a lower-cost foldable device is certainly in the cards. The only question is when in 2023 it might appear. Price is at the heart of the Galaxy Z Fold Lite rumors. The Galaxy Fold 3 debuted last year with a price of $1,799, even with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 undercutting that price by $999. That's still a lot to pay for a phone. If foldable devices are to become more widely acceptable, the theory goes then the price will need to come down even further. And that's why a lot of Galaxy Z Fold Lite rumors focus heavily on just how much the phone will cost. When rumors of this device first started percolating in mid-May, back when the phone was being touted as the Galaxy Z Fold, rumors suggested Samsung was looking to take $900 off the Galaxy Fold's original price. A subsequent Galaxy Z Fold Lite rumor floated by phone leaker Max Weinbach puts the cost of the new foldable device at $1,099. That's still pricier than a lot of flagships, but it's cheaper than both the Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Please share this video and make sure to subscribe. Don't forget click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Peace out.